Hey there, I'm Jan from Pocket Virtuality, and today I'm gonna show you how to use gestures with Hololens and our Fata Morgana system. Let's get started. In this video, we'll get straight down to the basics, because learning gestures is the most essential thing you can do with your Hololens. Fortunately, there's an app for that. You can start by turning your Hololens on and putting them on. To open the main menu, extend your arm like this and tap your wrist. In the main menu, select the Tips app by tapping its icon like you would tap a touchscreen, for example. A hologram will appear in front of you. Tap the play button and let the HoloLens guide you. Once you've learned the basics, it's time to open the Fata Morgana Voyager app. Open the menu, select the More Apps button, find the Voyager app and open it. As you can see, there are laser pointers coming out from your hands. That's how you control the Voyager app. To open the Voyager menu, simply click anywhere by pinching. Clicking in the menu works exactly the same way. Just point, pinch and click. Try it a few times so you can get used to it. If you happen to be in a guided operation session, you can point at the displayed model and move the scenario forwards or backwards. And that's everything you need to know about gestures in HoloLens and Fata Morgana Voyager app. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down below and I'll answer every single one of them. So, until next time, happy teleporting!